Hello. So let's get to it then. This is the beautiful palette we're using today. Oh my god, look at it, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. So anyway, when I watched this look, I wanted to try and see if I could actually do a look just using this palette. And I know a lot of people don't like just using metallics. Well, metallics, you know, like shimmers. Like shimmer shades. You'd think I'd get used to doing these videos by now. I did notice when doing my other eye, there was a tiny bit of fallout. It was nothing major. Oh, did I say I'm using indigo? Sorry, didn't say. That's the first colour we're using today, is indigo. So pretty, these colours, I love them. When I saw this palette, I was just like, wow, it's so pretty. So I had to try it. It's actually a lot better than what I thought, this palette. I actually thought, yeah, it looks so beautiful, but it's not going to be that great. Some palettes can be disappointing, but this is really nice. I like it. It's actually not showing up as good as it actually is in person. It's really nice. Right, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer. Nothing dramatic, just a little bit of cutting that colour out. Just so I can place the blue, it'd be better. I did notice one thing though, the blue is so pretty, but if you're not careful and it goes on the purple, it's like, well, not difficult to blend together, but wasn't the easiest, but still, the colours are so pretty. Right, so I'm going to go in next with this one here, Fiji. It's like a teal blue, and I'm going to just place that in the centre. See, when I first went in with this, I was going to like just do 2 colours. But then I decided to do 3. And I might end up having to do another one because I'm actually looking at that eye now thinking, but what if I went underneath there with another colour? Because they're so pretty. It's just like, I just want to use them all. They're so beautiful. Before I blend that in properly, I'm going to go in with a really small brush. And we're going to go into Pearl. Now Pearl is gorgeous. It's like it looks white, but then when you put it on, it's got like a gold tint to it. It's so pretty. I've never seen anything like it. I've been looking at this palette for a while, but I decided I'll get it because it was on sale. There was so much discount on it, so I thought I'd get it while it was cheaper. Plus I saved 15% too. So yeah, I thought I'd get it while it's cheaper. It's so pretty, and I'm glad I did get it, to be fair. Because sometimes I've watched videos on YouTube and I'm like, yeah, that palette looks good, and then you get it, and these people that have used them, it's like, certain colours are just awful in the palette. And when I do stuff, I will be totally honest what I absolutely think about the palette. I'm not gonna lie. If I find something difficult to use, I will tell you. If I find something easy to use, like I said, like the blue, it's gone under my eye a bit there. Look, if you look, the blue is like not the best to blend out, but it is pretty, so it's worth the extra drama. But the colours are just so pretty. I love it. I do absolutely love this palette. It's like with some juvie ones I've got, it's like the whole palette can be beautiful, but then one eyeshadow might just let it down so bad. It sucks. See, if you can see that, I don't see it, but there's a little bit, just a little bit of fallout. It's nothing bad, it's just, quick wipe and it's gone. Right, so I'm going to just quickly pause the video, just put a little tiny bit of eyeliner on, a little bit of flick, and then I'm going to put my lashes on, and I'll be back, and then we'll decide if we're going to put another colour underneath it, because they're so pretty. I'll be right back. Right, so now they're on. I was just looking at the palette thinking, do I really need another colour on? But I've just been looking at this nice little pink colour in the corner, flamingo, so we're going to just try it, just see how it goes. Oh, wow. I don't used to like putting colours under my eyes all the time because my eyes water so bad. It's like a pretty baby pink colour. It's quite subtle. Nothing in your face pink. Not that I hate in your face pinks, gotta admit, I do like in your face bright pinks. I like bright colours, what can I say? Prefer them to just your standard browns and blacks all the time. So, there, that's done. It's a finished look. And that's what the palette looks like. And it really is just so pretty. And if you like this look and you want to see more of my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you next time.